Morning, Wagwan. Welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Pricilla Robinson-Bartley. Each morning at 5 a.m. sharp Jamaican time, we will be reading from the Jamaican New Testament Bible. Look here, man. You're in for a treat. Don't miss it. And I want to also share with you that we are looking at the parables of Jesus. And I want you to do something for me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I used to look at WhatsApp on the like the pan. Just share it over there with your friends. I would really appreciate that. Let's get into it.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me I go read the good news about Jesus according to Luke, chapter 13, verse 18 to 22. Jesus asked them, say, "Oh God kingdom tan, why it come in like? It come in like one little seed where one man plant in him garden. It grow till it all turn tree and but business in there." And Jesus say again, "Oh God kingdom tan, why it come in like? It come in like the yeast where one woman take mix in a whole heap of flour, say 50 pounds, and mix it till it swell up." Jesus did a go at Jerusalem and I teach as him pass through the town and district them. A God over this, thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.